To enable and use auto replace feature in Samsung keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down to the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management and then tap Samsung keyboard setting. Under smart typing section, while predictive text feature is on, tap auto replace. And then tap the gray on offset next to the desired language to enable auto replace when you are typing with it. As the example, we will enable auto replace feature for English US. The switch turns blue when it's on. To use the auto replace feature, open an app where you can type with your Samsung keyboard. As you are typing, tap the spacebar to auto replace the word you are typing with the highlighted word. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.